Alright, well, what are we doing today? Well, it's another episode of Argo stuff. And this episode, we actually have an Argo. Just looked at my front door and my trailer manufacturer has kindly returned my Argo and on top of a brand spanking new trailer. So, we're going to go hitch it up. Alright, so we're hitched up and everything, and I've hooked up my new 7-pin plug, which is in parallel with a NATO one, and the left-hand blinkers don't work. So, the left-hand blinkers across the whole vehicle don't work, by the way, and I was screwing with fuses a little while ago, so maybe that had something to do with it. I'm going to check some fuses. Alright, so I haven't got any blown fuses anywhere, but I'm checking my blinkers. I've taken my key out, it's a bit hard to check here, but left-hand blinker's got a short and it's somewhere in the vehicle side of things, because when I actually I'll plug the keys in and show you. The key on. Now let's go right-hand blinker. Works fine. Same light for left and right blinkers on this. Let's go left blinker. Okay, and it blinks intermittently like there's a short. This light here is actually for the trailer blinkers, so I think at some point it's shorting out in the wiring loom where I've screwed with everything, which means I've got to pull that cover off, which is a royal massive pain. So yeah, that's going to be fun. Anyway, I think I'm going to duck this round the corner, show my mate, and then I'm going to fix the tail lights. Alright, well, I'm around with the Aussie repair guy senior, and we've pulled all the junk out of the corner, and we're going to do some auto elect work and see if we can try and fix the trailer plug. Alright, so we found our problem. I'd nicked a cable when I put the tow hitch in the other day, so we've managed to repair that, and my indicators on both sides work, but true to Land Rover, I have one light for indicators indicating both left and right. Anyway, I now have to get up and learn how to turn this trailer around that court to see if I get stuck. Alright, here goes nothing. Give it nice and wide. I'm going to go down to first gear for this, I think. Full lock. Double clutch into second, or first rather. I'll probably have to go up the curb. If I'm lucky, I'll make it round. Oh, just. By the skin of our teeth. The rear wheel track's a bit wider. Right, well, I took a gamble last night and the weather report says there's no rain, and the rain radar says there's no rain. So of course last night it rained when I had this parked in the open. So I threw a tarp over what's left of that pergola thingy I bought a while ago that totally self-destructed. I strapped a bit of that over the top, which is now conveniently removing itself. Today's the day, however. We're going to test its amphibious capabilities. We're going to take it down to the local boat ramp and we're going to have a paddle around in the water, maybe pick up some rubbish, depends how it goes. And I got a couple of mates who are completely frothing at the mouth over this thing. They're really excited, so I'm actually allowing myself to get a little excited for a change too. It hasn't happened in a while, but I'm in shorts and a t-shirt and it's about 8 degrees today, so I may need to put long pants on at some point. But anyway, we'll see how we go. One last important thing was replacing the old crappy blind spot mirror with a brand spanking new one. Now I can see where I'm reversing. Alright, well, about ready to back it out. This will be fun. Got the brakes disengaged. I've got jeans on for the first time in 2 years. And we'll warm the glow plugs up. I'm a bit breathless. And belt a little tight. Alright. Wait for our oil pump and everything to come up. pull our hand throttle out a bit. Alright, let's back her up. I'm going to do this off camera because trying to do stuff on film is mighty distracting. Alright, here goes. We got it out of the driveway and we're going to get a couple quick supplies on the way to the port to do our test run. And a growing number of people want to come with me, so this is going to be interesting. Alright, let's make our way to the port. Alright, well, we're seeing some water now. Almost at the port. It's, what is it, D-Day or 11th hour, or I don't know. I forget the references at the moment. Just got to remember this trail is a bit wider than everything else. Alright, here's our port. Let's pull up. Alright, and we're here. So I guess it's time to take some straps off. Put my GPS on the handlebars. Got my camera, or my GoPro rather. I'm hoping that's going to be an alright angle over the front there, but we'll see what happens. And I'm just waiting on some passengers to show up. And I better actually make sure, yes, I have brought the key. That's good. Alright, let's maybe get some things warmed up and get some stuff prepped and fold my number plate out of the way. So much easier than tailgates. First time ever. We do have a bilge pump and it works. Yep. First time ever. That's why I'm going in slow. So here we go. This feels really wrong. Start to get some buoyancy about now. There we go. Gotta get the balancing right. Now what we do here is we go high range. Oh, somebody's rocking the boat. Where are we? Alright. That's why I got the up. Oh, it's a little GoPro. Turn us around. So, where do we go? This way, I think. Could be the easiest way. And now we'll go a little bit to the right and we'll... Yeah. So that's where the outboard's handy. There's no bloody... Yep. it's lunch break. We've done a bit of mucking around. We're going to go out for another run after we have